what is Trump's plan? Trump's administration has rolled out a universal 10% tariff on all imports, plus even higher tariffs on specific countries. 34% on China, 32% on Taiwan, 46% on Vietnam, 26% on India. He's also ending the de minimis rule, which let imports under $800 bypass customs fees and paperwork. For makers and hobbyists, this is a major blow. Everything from dev boards to ham radios is about to get more expensive. How this affects gamers and builders. The impact is already real. Nintendo just delayed pre-orders for the Switch 2 in the US, specifically citing tariff uncertainty. But this isn't just about consoles. Everything is affected. It doesn't matter if it's a game controller, a custom mechanical keyboard, a basic mouse, a webcam, a microphone, or just a USB-C cable. If it's imported, it's getting hit with a tariff. And now, with the de minimis rule gone, you could be paying more import duties even on low-cost accessories that used to ship freely. Now, I know someone's going to say, why don't we just make it all in the US? Here's why that's not realistic. Labor costs are much higher here. That alone makes domestic production more expensive. Building new factories, developing supply chains, and retraining a workforce takes years, not months. And when it comes to semiconductors, we're still dependent on extremely specialized equipment. The most advanced chip-making machines in the world are built by ASML in the Netherlands, and they're the only company in the world that makes EUV lithography machines, which are essential to making cutting-edge chips. Now, under Trump's plan, the EU is facing a 20% tariff, so even importing the tools we need to build American factories just got more expensive. And here's the real kicker. President Biden passed the CHIPS Act, a massive federal investment to bring semiconductor manufacturing back to the US. It's funding new fabs, boosting R&D, and trying to build supply chain resilience for the long term. But Trump, he wants to kill the CHIPS Act, purely because it was Biden's policy. That's the same kind of thinking that has him trying to dismantle the Cyber Safety Review Board, which I covered in another video. I'll drop a card on screen for that. The bottom line, Trump is shooting his own economic agenda in the foot. He's so focused on undoing anything Biden or Obama touched that he's willing to sabotage real solutions, even ones designed to fix the supply chain issues he complains about. And the irony is, he doesn't understand the modern global economy at all. He was in real estate, not tech, not logistics, not supply chains. All he knows is land, property, and buildings, and you can't build a silicon wafer with bricks. So no, it's not as simple as just make it here. The world is more complex than that, and this kind of short-sighted policymaking only drives prices up for all of us.